Hello. In this video, we are going to build on top of what we learned in last video where we read a JSON object hard-coded. We're going to learn it, we're going to pass it through a variable now. Let me just show you in here in our embedded script. We were hard-coded with our ID which we want to pass on. Now we want to pass a variable. The name of the variable that I want to use is event ID. You can use anything you want. You can use hash, you can use variable, angle brackets, totally up to you. Click on OK. Now we do want to pass on the variables. So in replace variable, say true. Click on OK. Now we do want to define our variable first. Click on set variables. Click on user defined. We've used event ID. And we want the value to come from here. This is a variable. Click on OK. This becomes your starting point. Click on save. Click on run. Perfect. Now, if we change this ID over here to something else, let's do something else. Let's take the 2EC1. Okay. We go back, change it up, click on save, and now a completely different webhook will open up. Hope this was helpful to you.